If you have a sprinkler system but your yard still looks awful and ugly, chances are you're making this one mistake. I wanted to take a moment to show you this yard that we're adopting. It's got a sprinkler system. It gets fertilized by a lawn care company and gets treated, but the grass is really green in some spots, dead in others. As you can see, we're kind of doing a flyover right here. We're in this really dead, thin zone at the moment. And, you may be like, oh, I've got a sprinkler system. What can be causing this? Why does the lawn look so uneven? But here's the biggest mistake that people are making with their sprinkler systems. At the beginning of the year, they just go in, turn them on, they put it in the set it and forget it mode. They set it to come on at 4 or 5 a.m. They're still asleep. They never actually see it running. So sometimes they may see it running and you can see it spraying water. But the biggest mistake that people are making with sprinkler systems is they don't get out, turn it on, and monitor what's going on. In this situation, the sprinkler heads still spray water, but the majority of the water is leaking around these heads right at the base, and those areas there are getting soaked and saturated with water. They're way too wet, while the areas farther away from the sprinkler heads are still bone dry. You can really see it right here where that section of grass is wet, and to the sides of it, it's it's dry. It's basically almost burnt up. You can see where there's like runoff right here. So the biggest thing that you need to do at the beginning of the season is get out, turn your sprinkler system on in the day, walk around, check it for leaks, replace any heads that may be defective, replace any seals, make the adjustments, make sure that it's watering the yard and not the road or the sidewalk or something else. This will make a huge difference in your lawn, and you'll see greening over the entire lawn. You'll see a more consistent lawn. You won't see this splotchiness like you see right here, right up here, where it's all burnt up and basically nothing's going on. If you want your yard to thrive, be fully green, make sure that you follow along for more. Thanks. Bye.